continuation of mass agitation in the state demanding justice for N. Babysana, a large number of students of Chuchan Higher Secondary School today protested near the school gate at Sanjenthong, Imphal. The students were chanting slogans and displayed placards demanding justice for late Babysana, who was found dead in a suspicious manner inside the hostel room of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur last month. As per reports, cops arrived at the spot and later managed to keep the situation under control. During agitation by students demanding justice for Babysana today, one student protester was reportedly injured at Minuthong in Imphal East. The injured student has been identified as Shashinanda, a Standard 11 student of Chuchan Higher Secondary School, Imphal. It is learned that he was taken to a nearby hospital for medical treatment. Indian Chamber of Commerce today held a workshop on Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana workshop at Hotel Imphal North AOC. The workshop was held with a vision to provide benefits to farmers, reduce unemployment issue by encouraging entrepreneurship and others. Attending the workshop, Works Minister T.H. Vishwajit said that the workshop will be of great help to Manipur. He urged entrepreneurs from both the hills and valley to not hesitate in getting the benefits. Vishwajit also informed that National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD is sanctioning the loan for construction of a mega food park in the state. Budget carrier Indigo Airlines will start direct flights from Silchar to Kolkata from September 20 next. Silchar is the airline's 8th location in the northeast to start operation of direct flights. Booking process for the first Indigo Silchar Kolkata flight has already been started in various online travel sites like MakeMyTrip, ClearTrip, etc. The first Silchar Kolkata Indigo flight will depart from Kolkata at 7:30 am and reach Silchar at 8:45 am.